Welcome. In today's fast-paced financial world, continuous learning isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. The finance industry evolves rapidly, with new regulations, technologies, and market trends emerging all the time. Professionals who commit to ongoing education stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changes, and make better decisions. In this video, we'll explore why continuous learning is so crucial in finance, how it benefits your career, and practical ways to keep your knowledge fresh. Let's dive into the journey of lifelong learning and discover how it shapes successful finance professionals. Finance is one of the most dynamic sectors in the global economy. Markets fluctuate, investment products evolve, and regulations shift. This constant change means that what you learned 5 years ago might already be outdated. To keep up, finance professionals must embrace continuous learning. Whether you're an analyst, advisor, or accountant, staying updated ensures you remain relevant and effective in your role. The willingness to learn is what separates top performers from the rest. Technology is transforming finance at an unprecedented rate. From blockchain to artificial intelligence, new tools and platforms are reshaping how transactions are processed and analyzed. Continuous learning allows finance professionals to understand and leverage these technologies. By staying informed, you can identify opportunities, streamline processes, and provide better value to clients or employers. Ignoring tech trends can leave you behind, while embracing them opens doors to innovation. Regulations in finance are constantly evolving. Governments and international bodies frequently introduce new rules to protect investors and ensure market stability. Continuous learning helps professionals stay compliant and avoid costly mistakes. Understanding the latest regulations is crucial for risk management and maintaining trust with clients. Those who keep learning can quickly adapt to new compliance requirements and guide their organizations through regulatory shift. Understanding market trends is at the heart of finance. New investment vehicles, shifting economic indicators, and global events all impact financial markets. Continuous learning ensures you can interpret data accurately and make informed decisions. By regularly updating your knowledge, you can spot emerging trends, anticipate market movements, and provide valuable insights to clients or stakeholders. This proactive approach sets you apart as a trusted advisor. Continuous learning is a powerful tool for career growth. Employers value professionals who invest in their own development. By acquiring new skills and certifications, you demonstrate initiative and adaptability. This not only increases your chances of promotion but also opens up new career paths. In a competitive job market, those who keep learning stand out and are more likely to achieve their professional goals. Finance industry often faces periods of uncertainty, such as economic downturns or global crises. Professionals who continuously learn are better equipped to adapt to these changes. They can quickly acquire new skills, pivot strategies, and find innovative solutions. This adaptability not only helps individuals survive tough times but also positions them to thrive when the market recovers. Knowledge breeds confidence. When you continuously update your skills and understanding, you feel more assured in your decisions and recommendations. This confidence is contagious. It inspires trust in clients, colleagues, and supervisors. Continuous learning empowers you to tackle complex challenges with a positive mindset, knowing you have the tools and knowledge to succeed. Continuous learning often involves attending seminars, workshops, or online courses. These environments are perfect for networking with other finance professionals. Building a strong professional network can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and insights. Learning together fosters collaboration and helps you stay connected to industry developments. There's a deep sense of satisfaction that comes from mastering new concepts and skills. Continuous learning keeps your mind active and engaged, making your work more enjoyable. It also helps prevent burnout by introducing variety and new challenges into your routine. Personal growth is just as important as professional advancement in a fulfilling finance career. Adopting a lifelong learning mindset is key to long-term success in finance. This means being curious, open to new ideas, and willing to challenge your own assumptions. Lifelong learners are proactive about seeking out new information and experiences. They see every change as an opportunity to grow rather than a threat. Formal education, such as degrees and certifications, remains a cornerstone of continuous learning in finance. Many institutions offer specialized programs tailored to the needs of finance professionals. Pursuing formal education demonstrates commitment and can provide a strong foundation for advanced roles. It's a great way to deepen your expertise and expand your career options. Online learning platforms have revolutionized access to finance education. With just a few clicks, you can enroll in courses from top universities or industry experts. These platforms offer flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Whether you're brushing up on basics or exploring advanced topics, online learning makes continuous education more accessible than ever. Workshops and seminars provide hands-on learning experiences. These events often focus on current trends, practical skills, or regulatory updates. They're a great way to interact with experts, ask questions, and apply new knowledge immediately. Attending workshops keeps you engaged and ensures your skills remain sharp and relevant. Mentorship and coaching are invaluable for continuous learning. Experienced mentors can offer guidance, share insights, and help you navigate complex situations. Coaching provides personalized feedback and helps you develop specific skills. Both approaches accelerate your learning and support your professional growth in finance. Staying informed through industry publications is a simple yet effective way to keep learning. Financial journals, newsletters, and blogs provide updates on market trends, regulatory changes, and best practices. Regular reading helps you stay ahead of the curve and ensures you're always in the know about what's happening in the finance world. Joining professional associations connects you with a community of like-minded individuals. These organizations often offer exclusive learning resources, events, and certifications. Being part of a professional association keeps you engaged with industry developments and provides opportunities for continuous education. Much of the most valuable learning happens on the job. Tackling new projects, solving problems, and collaborating with colleagues all contribute to your growth. Embracing challenges at work helps you develop practical skills and gain real-world experience. Continuous learning isn't just about formal education, it's about making the most of every opportunity to learn in your daily work. Seeking feedback and reflecting on your experiences are key components of continuous learning. Constructive feedback helps you identify areas for improvement, while reflection allows you to consolidate your learning. By regularly evaluating your performance, you can set goals and track your progress over time. Mistakes are inevitable, but they're also powerful learning opportunities. In finance, errors can be costly, but analyzing what went wrong helps you avoid similar issues in the future. Embracing mistakes as part of the learning process builds resilience and encourages a growth mindset. Curiosity is the engine of continuous learning. Asking questions, exploring new topics, and seeking out different perspectives keeps your mind sharp. In finance, curiosity drives innovation and helps you uncover new opportunities. Never stop asking why or how. These questions lead to deeper understanding and growth. Change is constant in finance. Whether it's new technology, regulations, or market conditions, being open to change is essential. Continuous learning helps you adapt quickly and turn challenges into opportunities. Embracing change keeps you flexible and ready for whatever the future holds. Continuous learning is about more than just knowledge, it's also about developing new skills. In finance, this could mean mastering data analysis, learning a new software, or improving communication abilities. Expanding your skill set makes you more versatile and valuable to your organization. Critical thinking is a vital skill in finance. Continuous learning sharpens your ability to analyze information, evaluate options, and make sound decisions. By challenging assumptions and considering multiple perspectives, you become a more effective problem solver and strategist. Ethics are at the core of finance. Continuous learning includes staying updated on ethical standards and best practices. This ensures you make decisions that are not only profitable but also responsible and trustworthy. Upholding high ethical standards builds your reputation and fosters long-term success. Finance is a global industry. Continuous learning helps you understand international markets, regulations, and cultural differences. A global perspective allows you to identify new opportunities and navigate cross-border challenges. Staying informed about global trends is essential for success in today's interconnected world. Emotional intelligence is increasingly important in finance. Continuous learning helps you develop self-awareness, empathy, and communication skills. These abilities improve client relationships, teamwork, and leadership. By investing in emotional intelligence, you enhance both your professional and personal life. Effective time management is crucial for finance professionals. Continuous learning helps you discover new strategies and tools to manage your workload efficiently. By prioritizing tasks and staying organized, you can achieve more and reduce stress. Time management skills are essential for balancing learning with daily responsibilities. Finance professionals face complex problems every day. Continuous learning enhances your problem-solving abilities by exposing you to new methods and perspectives. By learning from others and staying open to new ideas, you can tackle challenges more effectively and find innovative solutions. Clear communication is essential in finance. Continuous learning helps you refine your ability to explain complex concepts, present ideas, and negotiate effectively. Strong communication skills build trust with clients and colleagues, making you a more effective professional. Leadership is about inspiring and guiding others. Continuous learning helps you develop leadership qualities such as vision, integrity, and decision-making. By learning from great leaders and seeking feedback, you can become a more effective manager or team leader in finance. Staying motivated is key to continuous learning. Setting clear goals, celebrating achievements, and surrounding yourself with supportive peers can keep you energized. Motivation fuels your desire to learn and helps you overcome obstacles along the way. Data is the backbone of finance. Continuous learning helps you develop the skills to collect, analyze, and interpret data accurately. By mastering data-driven decision-making, you can provide valuable insights and drive better outcomes for your organization. The finance industry is highly competitive. Continuous learning gives you an edge by keeping your skills and knowledge up to date. By staying ahead of industry trends, you can outperform competitors and seize new opportunities as they arise. Innovation is driving change in finance, from fintech startups to new investment products. Continuous learning keeps you informed about the latest innovations and helps you adapt quickly. Embracing innovation allows you to offer creative solutions and stay relevant in a rapidly changing industry. Financial planning is a core skill for finance professionals. Continuous learning helps you refine your planning abilities, stay updated on best practices, and offer better advice to clients. Strong planning skills are essential for helping individuals and organizations achieve their financial goals. Risk management is critical in finance. Continuous learning ensures you understand the latest risk assessment tools and strategies. By staying informed, you can identify potential risks early and develop effective mitigation plans, protecting your organization and clients from unexpected losses. Building and maintaining strong client relationships is essential in finance. Continuous learning helps you understand client needs, communicate effectively, and provide personalized solutions. Strong relationships lead to client loyalty and long-term success. Tax laws are constantly changing. Continuous learning ensures you stay updated on the latest regulations and compliance requirements. This knowledge is crucial for providing accurate advice and avoiding costly mistakes for yourself and your clients. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in finance. Continuous learning helps you understand sustainable investment strategies and the impact of environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. By staying informed, you can help clients make responsible investment choices and contribute to a better future. Fintech is revolutionizing the finance industry. Continuous learning helps you stay updated on the latest fintech trends, tools, and platforms. Understanding fintech enables you to leverage new technologies for greater efficiency and better client service. Cybersecurity is a growing concern in finance. Continuous learning ensures you understand the latest threats and best practices for protecting sensitive information. By staying informed, you can safeguard your organization and clients from cyber risks. Continuous learning also involves understanding how to balance work and personal life. Learning time management, stress reduction, and self-care techniques helps you maintain well-being and perform at your best. A healthy work-life balance is essential for long-term success in finance. Setting clear learning goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Identify areas you want to improve, set specific objectives, and track your progress. Goal setting turns continuous learning into a structured and rewarding process. Sum up: continuous learning is the key to success in finance. It keeps you adaptable, informed, and competitive in a rapidly changing industry. By embracing lifelong learning, you not only advance your career but also find greater satisfaction and purpose in your work. Make learning a habit, and you'll be prepared for whatever the future holds in the world of finance.